It's time for a new set of wheel covers on this Model 3, and it's time for us to give away another set. Today we're going to be installing a set of Arachnid wheel covers on our 2022 Tesla Model 3. These are from EVBase. We've got the wheel covers in this box, as well as a set of center caps to give it a little bit of extra flair. Now, if you would like to purchase a set of these for your own vehicle, the link is down in the description, and if you entered the promo code SPINNER, you can receive an additional 20% off your purchase. And with these, if you're interested in getting a set of Arachnid wheel covers that will fit 18-inch rims, we're going to be giving a brand new set away. I've got a form down in the description where you can put in your email address so I can contact you if you win. And then after that, we'll arrange shipping directly from EVBase. These will be new in box to you. So if you're interested in winning a set, fill out that form. A week after this video goes out, we'll be announcing the winner directly to them. So let's get these unboxed and see what they look like. So we're opening the box up, and we'll take these out. We've installed EVBase wheel covers before, so it should be fairly straightforward. This is what the wheel cover will look like right here. That's the Arachnid wheel cover, and this is where the center cap will go. Covers that up really nicely and makes the wheel look a little bit more flashy. We'll also come with this roll of adhesive that's a little bit of a foam cushion, and a set of the blank wheel caps if you'd rather use those than what's in here.
We're going to prepare this wheel cover to go on the wheel. First, we're going to take this off. This is just for shipping. It's just to protect that. Before we put the foam on, we do have to we don't have to, but we're going to go ahead and just clean this off with a little alcohol, just in case there's any residue from the manufacturing process. And you want to make sure your hands are clean too. Of course, whenever you use anything with adhesive, the oils on your hands tend to stick to the adhesive, and sometimes that can make the adhesive lose some of its stick after you've touched it with your fingers. So check to make sure you don't have any extra oil on your hands. Now I'm going to take this foam. This came with the shipping. You can see there's just a little sticker back on it. Obviously, I want the stickum side to go on the wheel cover itself. I'm going to put it right around the edge. This is to protect the wheel itself from any damage that these plastic edges might cause. Keep it right around the edge. It doesn't have to be perfect. I find that the slower I go, the more precise I can be, but I've also done a lot of these. This is our third full set that we've done, so I'm kind of used to it by now. I suggest that if this is your first time, you might want to go a little slower. As I get close to the end, you can see the end is right here, and I'm approaching that. So it's okay to go ahead and overlap it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take it right up to the edge here. And then I'm just going to take a little knife, very carefully cut just the thing. And if there's a little gap, that's not going to hurt anything. It's all set.
Next, we're going to attach the center cap. EVBase knows our car is red, so they send us the red T logo. I'm going to peel off this protective film that's on the front. There we go. Then that's good to go. That's what it would look like. Then I'm going to spritz the center with a little bit of alcohol for the same reasons that Rachel suggested. And I want to know where the indentation is for the tire valve, which is right here, because that is how I know how to orient this wheel cap. I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing. The tip of the T needs to point at the valve stem. So I'm going to line it up with the tip of the T there. It fits perfectly. Press it down, and now it's ready to go on the car. We've already cleaned off the rim. I'm going to line up again with the tire stem and where this cutout is. These overlap the wheel, so if you've got curb rash, which our old rental car does, it hides it quite nicely. Line it up. But there we go. Now it's on the car. Once again, these are the Arachnid wheel covers from EVBase. These fit an 18-inch rim, which is what our rear-wheel drive Model 3 has. They kind of look a little bit like the upgraded rims, but they're black, so it kind of gives the car that sleeker look. I don't know what they'll do with 2 efficiency. We'll figure that out as we drive around with them on it. Again, if you're interested in purchasing a set of these wheel covers for your own vehicle, the link is in the description. And if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you'll receive an additional 20% off your purchase. And for the first week that this video is up, we're going to have a contest, kind of a drawing, to give away a brand new set of these Arachnid wheel covers for 18-inch rims that would fit on a Tesla Model 3. If you're interested in entering that contest, the link for that form is down in the description. Just give me your email address so I can contact you to let you know that you won, and we'll arrange shipping. It'll be a brand new in-box set from EVBase. Thanks for watching, guys.